Hi, kids! Today we're counting all the way from 1 to 100. Say the numbers with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Let's keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, you're doing amazing! Let's move to the next set. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Nice! Let's count some more. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Fantastic! Keep it up! 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Halfway there, let's go. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. You're counting like a champ. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Amazing! Only a few more sets left. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Great! Let's keep the numbers rolling. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Almost there, just one more. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Amazing! You counted all the way to 100.